Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be creating a vision board. A vision board is a fun way of putting your goals and quotes and anything that you want to accomplish for that year onto a board. Put this board somewhere that you're able to see it every day as a reminder to keep pushing for those goals that you would like to reach. So today I will be taking you step by step on how I create my vision board. If you haven't checked out my video about how to be the best version of yourself yet, please be sure to check it out. Creating a vision board was one of the points that I made of being the best version of yourself and setting goals. Now I'm going to show you how to create a vision board.
What you'll need is
a white poster board,
old magazines, or if you don't have magazines, you can print some pictures out, scissors, and a glue stick. So let's get started. You'll find some pictures within your magazines, or words, or quotes. So here I found the word shopping. Of course, shopping is always the goal. Why not put that on my board? So I will cut out the word and paste it on my vision board. Oh, this one's nice too. Let's cut this one out. Perfect. What is that on my board? Okay. I'm not seeing anything in this one. Okay, here's a new magazine. Let's go through this one. Joy. Let's cut this one out. Now, start placing your cutouts all over the board. You can separate them by category or just put them all over the board. Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
What you doing?
I'm making my video. Well, I'm doing my voiceover in my video. So here you go again. I'm making a voice. Yes, I'm doing a voiceover for the vision board video.
Oh my goodness! I always call at the right time, huh?
Yeah, you always want to be in my videos, huh?
I guess so.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do your video. I'll just do it. It's raining again.
Oh, it's not raining out here right now, but yeah, let me finish.
All right.
Bye. I hope this video inspired you to create your own vision board. It doesn't matter what time of the year it is, it's never too late to start putting your goals out there. So have fun creating your vision board. Be sure to share it with me if you'd like. But yes, thank you for supporting me. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the other videos.